Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mathematics for Calculus textbook series. This lesson is based on Chapter 8, Section 3, Part C, Multiplication and Division of Complex Numbers in Polar Form. So today we are going to learn how to multiply and divide complex numbers while they're in polar form. In order to do that, you need to be ace with trigonometric functions. Those are a big part of this. Let's get started. Let's do some fraction arithmetic with radians to get us warmed up. Find the sums and differences in the angle measures below. Pause the video and restart when you're ready. I'm going to show my answers in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, remember this is just a matter of finding a least common denominator. Don't let that pi scare you. Okay. For any two complex numbers, we find their product by applying a formula. Suppose we have our first complex number, we have z1, our first complex number, with a modulus of r1 and an argument of theta 1. And then we have z2, our second complex number, with a radius, a modulus of r2 and an argument of theta 2. To multiply these two, what we do is we multiply the moduli and then add the arguments and find the cosine and sine of each. Let's do an example. For example 1a, we need to multiply two complex numbers. So the first thing I need to do is find my my moduli and my argument for each. For z1, my modulus is 2 and my argument is pi over 4. For z2, my modulus is 5 and my argument is pi over 3. Then I'm going to take that and just substitute it into our multiplication formula. So 2 times 5, pi over 4 plus pi over 3. Then I simplify, and I'm finished. The formula for dividing two complex numbers is very similar. Instead of multiplying our moduli, we divide them. And instead of adding our arguments, we subtract them. That's it. So 1b is the exact same set of complex numbers, but now we're dividing instead of multiplying. So first, I'm going to find my r and my theta, which we should have from our previous problem. And then I'm going to substitute it into our division formula, which is we're going to divide our two moduli, and then we're going to subtract our two arguments. The order is important, remember, for subtraction, so make sure you've got it right. Subtraction and division step. Well done today. You should feel comfortable applying the formulas for multiplying and dividing complex numbers in polar form. So before you go, turn to your classmate and discuss. A complex number and its conjugate will always have a product that's a real number. True or false? I'll see you in the next lesson.